Transform your skin from drab to fab in just minutes with the True Beauty Glow device. First, ensure your device is fully charged. A full charge usually takes about 2 hours and provides multiple uses. Next, press the power button to turn on the device. You can adjust the intensity level by pressing the same button repeatedly. Start with the lowest setting to gauge your skin's sensitivity. Apply your favorite serum or moisturizer to clean, dry skin. This device works best when paired with hydrating products to enhance absorption. Gently glide the device across your face in upward and outward motions. Avoid the delicate eye area. Focus on areas like your cheeks, forehead, and chin, moving the device slowly and steadily. Don't apply too much pressure. Let the device do the work. You can also use the device on your neck, using upward strokes towards your jawline. After use, turn off the device and wipe it clean with a soft, damp cloth. Incorporate the True Beauty Glow device into your skincare routine a few times a week to reveal a brighter, more radiant complexion.